Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Dandi in Navsari district to dedicate the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his visit to Dandi, will prepare salt at the same place where Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 made salt in Dandi. Well, there are 12 induction heaters installed here at the memorial, and you just have to pour this sea water in these induction heaters, and after you heat this induction heater, the salt water, primarily the water, will get evaporate, and the only thing that will remain over here will be salt. And in this manner, the youngsters, the tourists who come here to visit the memorial can also make salt over here and can experience as to how was their history when it comes to making the salt.
The National Salt Satyagraha Memorial comprises statues of 80 Satyagrahis who marched with Mahatma Gandhi during the historic Dandi Salt March. The cost of the memorial is 110 crore rupees. And it is powered by as many as 41 tree-shaped solar panels, which will generate 144 kV of electricity. The monument at the memorial is 40 meters high with a steel frame. It has a glass cube on the top symbolizing hands holding a salt crystal.
We have used duplex steel. It has got it's an alloy, so that it is in the coastal area environment. It sustains for it's like serviceable life is more. So to fabricate it and then for erection, so everything was challenged, and then to fix the statues, these life-size statues, and even the Gandhiji statue, 5 meter high Gandhi statue, that is resting on a monolith, stone monolith. So to bring that from outside, so every item was a challenge.
24 murals are also created depicting various highlights of the Dandi Yatra. Mahatma Gandhi began the march from Ahmedabad to Dandi near Surat on March 12, 1930 against the ban on Indians producing or selling salt.
Be it Statue of Unity in Narmada in Gujarat or be it the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial in Dandi, government is focusing on developing tourism circuit based on the lives of these freedom fighters, just on the lines of Ramayana circuit and Buddhism circuit. Well, with this initiative, the tourism in the country will get a major push. So on the other side, the youngsters and the generation next will get inspiration and motivation to achieve the dream of New India from these memorials. With camera person Shri, Arun Sharma, Doordarshan News, Dandi.